All right, everyone. Here we have a Maserati AC compressor replacement. I didn't find much information online, but here's what I did. In case anybody else out there needs to replace one of these compressors, actually pretty straightforward. I removed the air filter from this side, a couple of the covers on the top. It's right here. Then after that, wheel, fender liner, and let me show you the rest. Once you get your fender liner out, you just sneak it out through here. The 3 bolts are very reachable. Obviously, before you do this, you want to go ahead and pull the belt off. Then a couple of connections. I believe I did disconnect the one up here, which is this one. This is for the recirculator valve, I believe, for the turbo. But it's all super reachable from this side. On this particular model, I did have to loosen up the sway bar because the compressor does come out through here. A little bit of wiggling, but it does come out. And that's pretty much it. There's really not much to it. I just felt that I should upload some information about it in case, somebody was to tackle it. I guess somebody could even do it at home. Just never forget to evacuate the system. If not, it's gonna blow up in your face. So they got us a used one, which is against my recommendations, right? Because of course, if this one went out, this one could go out pretty soon. But that's what the customer wants. That's what the customer is getting. Any tips, tricks? Please let me know how I can help.